Good morning, students, and welcome you all in my recorded live session for class 9, subject mathematics. So, get ready with your rough registers and pens. Solve the problem following me step by step. We have already covered up till exercise 1.5. Today we'll start our next exercise, that is 1.6. Problem number 1, use of matrices if possible to solve the following systems of linear equations. Now when you are asked to solve the following system of linear equations, you have to follow the two methods. Method number 1, the matrices inversion method. Number 2, the Cramer's rule. Now in problem number 1, all parts of problem number 1 will be solved first by method number 1, and then the same problem you have to solve with the second method. So today we'll cover up this very first method, the matrix inversion method. I'll explain it for you. Linear equations. What are these linear equations? Linear equations are those in which the variables have power, degree, or exponent as 1. Now 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. The degree of x and y both are 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Here same. The exponent of the degree or the power of both variables x and y are equal to 1. That is why they are called as systems of linear equations. So you are given here two equations, 2x minus 2y is equal to 4 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. You have to transform first in the form of a matrices. Perform this step. Write all the coefficients of these variables to form a matrix like this. The variable of x, the coefficient of x is 2. This is the coefficient of x. The coefficient of y is minus 2. Here it is. The coefficient of x is 3. Here it is. The coefficient of y is equal to 2. Here it is. Now the two variables are involved in this system of linear equations, that is x and y. So transform this like this into matrix form. X and y is equal to 4 and 6, like this. Name this matrix as A is equal to 3. Here it is 2. 2 minus 2, 3, 2. Name this matrix as x is equal to xy, and name this matrix as b is equal to 4, 6. This Ax is equal to b. Here you see Ax is equal to b. We form this equation. Putting this A on the right hand side, it will give you A inverse. So we have to find this equation, x is equal to A inverse b, and the formula for A inverse is equal to adjoint A over mod A. This is the formula for A inverse. to find the value of this A inverse, you have to find or perform this operation adjoint of A and calculate this mod A. First, let A is equal to this 2 minus 2 3 2. Transform this into modulus form, bring the bars here to give it in the form of determinant shape. Now how to calculate the determinant? 2 2s are 4, 2 multiplied by 2. This is the formula to calculate the determinant of a matrix, and here multiply minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus minus, it will give you plus 2 to the 4 plus 2 to the 6 is equal to 10. Note here that this determinant A, the value of determinant A is not equal to 0, so the solution is possible because A is a non-singular matrix. Now perform this step. Find out the adjoint of a matrix A. This is the matrix A. You all know how to perform this adjoint of A, how to calculate this adjoint of A. For this diagonal you have to change the entries. The entry there will be replaced, and for this diagonal the sign conventions will be changed. If here it is minus 2, it will give you plus 2. Here it is plus 3, it will give you minus 3. Now you calculate adjoint of A also. Now put the value of this adjoint A, the value of determinant A in this equation. This is the formula for A inverse. X, you already name X as this matrix and B as 4 6. Putting these all values in this formula, xy is equal to 1 over 10 because the value of determinant A is equal to 10. Adjoint of A, putting the value, putting that adjoint of A matrix here, the value of B here. After performing this step, move on to the next step, that is you have to multiply these two matrices. Note that the columns of first matrix, two columns, number of rows of second, 2 rows. Now number of columns is equal to the number of rows of second matrix are equal, so you can multiply, you can say that they are conformable for multiplication. Now perform the row into column multiplication. 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12, minus 3 4s are 12 plus 2 6s are 12. Here it is for you. Two 4s are 8 plus 2 6s are 12, minus 3 4s are 12 plus 2 6s are 12. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0, 1 over 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20. It will give you 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. Write these values, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 in curly brackets to find the solution set of this system of linear equations. Get it you all? I hope the method for